Nice. Nice.
Oh, good shot.
Oh, two piece? Oh, two piece?
Oh, damn.
Sheesh.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that?
Yeah.
I know you
Sorta.
I wouldn't have said anything stupid.
But why?
Oh. Can't see because of the left. Kill him. Nice shot, Riley. Get another one, I'm kind of waiting on the ground, though. Alright. Oh, wait. I ain't got any shells. I ain't got any shells. Nice.
Right.
No.
Okay.
No, he didn't have any shells. Yeah, huh?
These peelers are getting in here really quick. Deal. Huh? Oh yeah. First one wasn't. You want to shoot him, Drake? All right, right here. Oh my God, Drake!
Nice shot, Drake. Thank you, sir.
Sheesh, brother.
Spinners. Divers. Kill him. Oh,
I got one.
Killed one back on the pit. Don't let him hit you.
Huh? Oh.
Can you spot him, Bradley?
Looks
like this one on the left, but I finished him off for you. Oh, I'll throw my decoys.
I got one. Ringnecks. We'll shoot ringnecks in the rice fields. Where is it?
Right here, landed. See?
Oh, okay.
Good shot.
Now I gotta go on a walk.
Kill him.
Hey. Kill it. Nice.
Good shot. Pintail, ain't it?
It's a gadwall.
Yeah. I just seen its white stomach.
Sweet. Yeah, they were going Mach 11. Can I run back to my gun?
No. Shoot one, shoot one. I'm good. You're good.
Okay, now I'm done.
Picking on a few gadwalls today. This ain't mine, but I was out of the pit. We was watching some clips back, and 3 of them just got in here. Now he's got 6, and I think we need 6 or 7 more. Gadwalls are playing today.